Hi students, in this video I'll be going through a review exercise 10, question 2C. Right, so this is one of the questions inside the homework assignment. Okay, so let's read the question. So we're asked to solve secant 2x minus 15 degrees plus square root 3 equals 0 for the range of x between negative 180 to positive 180. Right, so the angle here is 2x minus 15. So let's adjust the range first. Okay, so the range is negative 180 to positive 180. Right, so 2x means it will be between negative 360 and 360. So over here we are going two rounds, one round in the positive direction, one round in the negative direction. Okay, then minus 15, so it will be negative 375 and 345. Okay, so let's just think about this negative range first. So negative means okay, over here is 0 degrees, the positive x-axis. If you are measuring a negative angle, then you go in the clockwise direction. So negative 375 will be, from here to here will be negative 360, right? Then you add on another extra 15 degrees. So it will be something like this, okay? One full round and then an additional 15 degrees, all right? So this will be the negative 375. Then the positive 345 would be from here all the way to here. Okay, so actually if you think about this, you are still going two rounds. Okay, the negative one is one full round plus a little bit, plus another extra 15. The positive one will be one full round but less 15. Alright, so actually you are still going two rounds. Alright. Okay, so let's once we have adjusted the range, let's solve the question. Okay, so the first step that I will actually do would be to bring the 3/4 to square root 3 to the other side. Okay, bring the square root 3 to the other side. Okay, secant is 1 over cosine. So we have this. Right, so cosine 2x minus 15 degrees will be negative 1 over root 3. Okay, so let's proceed to find the basic angle. Okay, so let cosine alpha equals to 1 over root 3. So alpha would be, if you do the calculation, 54.74 degrees. Right? Okay, so now cosine over here is negative. If cosine is negative, then we want to search the second and third quadrants. Okay, so let us examine the negative angle first. Okay, negative angle. Let's find the negative one first. Okay, so the basic angle is always the same. Okay, so now we are searching S and T, right? So the basic angle, let's search the second quadrant first. 54.74 degrees. So if we are going negative direction, the first angle that we'll get will be this one. Okay, so over here you can see that from here all the way from here to here, okay, we have gone negative 180. Okay, then we go another further negative 54.74. So in other words, your first angle that you get, okay, would be negative 180 minus 54.74. Okay, so this will be the negative angle that is inside the second quadrant. Okay, then how about the third quadrant? Okay, the third quadrant basic angle is here. So over here will be the 54.74 degrees. So the angle that we want is over here. So this will be 180. Okay, negative 180. Then you add back another 54.74 because it's not so negative. So it's negative 180 plus 54.74. Okay, so these are the only two negative angles because we want second and third quadrant. Okay, so even this extra 15 degree over here doesn't matter because there's no angle that's one in the fourth quadrant, right? Okay, then the other one would be to a positive range. So for positive range in the second quadrant, it will just be 180 minus the basic angle. Okay, so positive range I won't draw because you are familiar already. Then the third quadrant, it will then be, okay, so for positive range, you don't need to draw. Okay, over here diagram will be 180 minus the basic angle. Okay, then for the third quadrant will be 180 plus the basic angle. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so to work out all these answers, you will just add 15, bring the 15 over and then divide by 2. right? Okay, so if you were to do that, you should be able to get these 4 answers. Okay, so maybe I work out one of it for you to see now. Okay, so let's try the first one. 2x minus 15 degree equals to 4.74. So bring the 15 over. So remember, you go the other side is adding up. Okay, plus 15. Okay, then you divide by 2, right? You divide by 2. Okay, then you divide by 2, right? So you just do the same thing for all the 4 angles. So remember, bring over 15 is adding, okay? So you will get 109.9 degrees, okay? Negative 53.6 degrees, and then 70.1 degrees, and 124.9 degrees. Okay, so 1 decimal place. Right, so these are the 4 solutions for this question. Right, so still not too difficult. Okay, just remember, always adjust the range first. Find basic angle. Okay, first one you need to do some adjustment. Secant is 1 over cosine, and then think about the quadrants that are relevant to this question, and then search the angles in those quadrants. Right.